Apple AirPods second generation, more like a 1.5 generation, but I ordered these the day that they came out. Funny story, actually. I woke up, first thing I did was get on Twitter. I do things like this quite often, but I woke up and I got on Twitter and I saw that Apple had released the second generation of the AirPods available for pre-order. So in my half awake, half slumber, I decided to order these. And I woke up like 3 or 4 hours later and I was like, yo, like, did I just order, like, did I dream that AirPods dropped? So I went on Twitter, saw that the AirPods had dropped, and I was like, no, did I actually order some AirPods? And I pulled up my emails and the confirmation was in there. I did try to go back and cancel it, but there was no way to. They were on their way, which, you know, I thought about getting AirPods since they came out, and I kept on telling myself, like, let's just wait for the second generation. Let's just wait, which I guess I did, and I ordered these in my slumber. But funniest part is I actually ordered them customized with my gamer tag and YouTube name, Drisco Bro. So that's going to be on there. We're going to be able to see that. But this is the box that they came in. They sent it exactly like this. No need for bubble wrap when you're wrapping it tight in itself. Go ahead and cut off that plastic holding it in place. These are heavier than I thought they were. But we do have the AirPod second generation box. I did get the wireless charging case. I don't currently have a wireless charger. I do have an iPhone 8 Plus that is capable with wireless charging. I have just never messed with it. But I'm doing some research and trying to figure out which trio of wireless charging is the best, because I do have the Apple Watch 4th generation as well, which is wireless charging. So I'm looking for a wireless charger that will charge all three at once. If anybody has any recommendations, y'all can leave that down in the comments. But let's go ahead and get into this. Alright, so first thing we're going to see is designed by Apple in California. They fill out. Alright. So right behind that is going to be the AirPod wireless case. I'm assuming the AirPods are in there as well. We do have the instruction manuals, AirPods telling you how to set it up, and 2 more manuals in there. Those inside the sleeve that was first seen that says designed by Apple. So we'll go ahead and looks like we got to peel this off, and then we have 2 coming from each direction up here. Alright, and as you can see, it does say Drisco Bro right there on the front. So, little advertisement, little branding right there. We'll go ahead and open these up and look at them. Give you all a little view. This is the right bud. These are basically the same specs on the first generation and the second generation. The battery life is just better, and it does have a Siri active with the second generation. So, oh, wow, okay. I pulled these out, opened them up, and I didn't even notice, but my phone was sitting on the table, and the AirPod notification popped up automatically. So we'll go ahead and hit connect. And it's taking a little bit to connect. Maybe I should leave them open. Alright, so it says the case out of the box is at 73% and the actual headphones are at 77%. So we'll go ahead and hit done. Says connected. And Andrew's AirPods. It says the right one is at 71% and the left one is at 78%. So we'll go ahead and put these in. Made a little noise as I put them in my ear. Go to Spotify. And let's go to, I am wearing Glory Sound Prep right now, so let's go ahead and go to John Bellion, Glory Sound Prep. And we'll go with Conversations with My Wife by John Bellion. Alright, and they're working right out of the box, so no issues. Let's go ahead and test out the Siri option. Siri. I don't know exactly what I'm supposed to say, so let's figure this out together. Hey Siri. My phone picked that up. No. Hey Siri. Okay. Say hey Siri or set up your AirPods to use double tap for Siri. Okay, so hey Siri. It's not working like that, so we'll double tap. That skipped the song. Okay. It's showing the left AirPod, so let's see. Those are just skipping songs, double tapping either way. See what happens when I tap. Nothing's happening. Maybe there's something in the settings. We'll go to the settings and we'll search Siri. And go to Siri and search. Listen for Hey Siri is turned on. And it started working when I said that. Okay. So I did read somewhere that you had to be on iOS 12.2, I believe, which is the one that just came out a couple days ago. And I am running 12.2 for Siri to work. It's not working right now, but I will say that the AirPods are nice coming out, charged at 70% on each, and the case being charged at 70%. The Driscobro does look nice. If you were going to customize, let's see if we can get that to focus. Right there, Driscobro. So if you are going to customize your Apple AirPods, I will say that it is nice. I don't think that it was any extra. I think they're doing free engraving on these AirPods, if I do believe correctly. I think the total was $215 with the wireless case. There is the option with the wired case to where you can only charge through the lightning port. There is a lightning port on the bottom of this one. That's some research that I did before. I was thinking like, oh, I don't only want wireless charging, so I need the wired port too, so I made sure that that was an option on these AirPods. But thanks for watching, guys. We got the Apple AirPods 2nd generation with the wireless charging and personalized engraved. Give me a like and subscription, and we'll keep on putting out some more videos. Thanks.